Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Practice number 51.
Math Practice number 51. So today we were doing some problems on Beast Academy that involve rectangles, and this was a challenge problem that we skipped that I thought we would do for our video. Sorry, the board's not erased very well. So, are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, you start with a rectangle and increase the width by 10 feet. The new perimeter is 36 feet. What is the old perimeter? Okay, so do you understand the problem?
Yep.
What do you think the best approach is on a problem like this?
We could draw a picture of the rectangles.
Okay, which one do you want to draw first?
How about the old one?
The old one. Okay, that's a good idea.
So this would be...
Okay, awesome. There is a good rectangle. That's our old rectangle that we're going to try to find the perimeter of. And where's the what do we do to make the new rectangle?
Well, we increase the width by 10 feet.
Okay, awesome. So what is that? Where is that? Oh, you want to draw it with a different color? Here, pink probably is better than black. Go ahead. Okay. So where's the old rectangle here?
Well, probably down here.
Okay. So let me show you a way to do this a little easier on one picture. So we're just going to take our old rectangle here, and we're going to increase the width like that by 10 feet. Okay, make sense?
Yep.
That way, so we're talking about two rectangles, but now we have them drawn on one picture. Okay, so what do we know about the new rectangle?
Its width is 10.
Here, take this.
Its width is 10 feet larger than the blue rectangle.
Yep, that's very good. And what else do we know about the new rectangle?
Its perimeter is 36 feet.
Its perimeter is 36 feet. Okay. How do you find the perimeter of that rectangle, of the new rectangle? What do you do? Draw the perimeter.
The perimeter?
Yeah, draw around the perimeter. Like, what would you do to find the perimeter? Show me all the things you have to add up.
Well, you have to add up, like...
Okay, let's start easier. What is the perimeter? Show me the perimeter of the new rectangle.
36.
Yes, it is 36. Where is the perimeter? Go walk around the perimeter with your fingers. There you go. That's the perimeter. It goes all the way around the rectangle like that, right? Okay. So what do you know? What do you know? That's 36, right?
Yep.
So how do you find the perimeter of the old rectangle?
You minus the width by 10 feet.
Okay.
So, if you minus the width by 10, well, it's going to be by 20 feet.
Why?
Because both sides drop.
Okay. This side goes away, which is 10. This side goes away, which is 10. And what happens to this side?
Well, it's the same length as this
Right,
side.
it just goes shoot right up here.
Yep.
So what's the perimeter of the old rectangle going to be?
It's 36 minus 20.
Why don't you write that?
Okay. Now,
Is it 36 plus 20 or times 20? Minus 20. Okay. Here,
Yeah.
usually we write the minus over here. Okay, what is 36 minus 20?
now, that's going to be 16.
16. Very good. Okay, so let's take a look at how we approached this problem. You start with a rectangle and increase the width by 10 feet. The new perimeter is 36. What is the old perimeter? Okay, so we drew our old rectangle, and then we drew the new rectangle on the same drawing. Okay? Then we noticed that all we did was increase the width by 10 feet, right?
Yeah.
And then we said, oh, for the old rectangle, oh, we just get rid of those two sides, and then this side becomes that side. So the old perimeter must be the new perimeter minus 20. So we just have to get rid of those two sides.
Yeah.
And 36 minus 20 is?
16!
16! Good job. Alright, good job today, sweetie. And for somehow or other, we lost the cap to this blue marker. Can you look around for it? If I turn off the camera, can you just grab it? Thanks, honey. Good job this morning.